What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video from the Just Getting channel. Today we're just going to be reinstalling the Accessport that I got from COBB. If you're wondering why reinstall, is because I previously installed it, but then it killed my battery, so I had to uninstall it to take the car back to Subaru so I could get my battery replaced. Another thing that I think I'm just email them, see if they can change it. But when you have your hazards on with the Accessport, it kills your battery because the Accessport stays on, but it drains it like automatically, which is crazy because I was getting a haircut and it was probably, I had the hazards on for probably like 20 minutes, which shouldn't kill my battery, but the Accessport stayed on and I didn't know, and it killed my battery. So we're just gonna be reinstalling it today. I got a brand new OEM battery from Subaru. It's really simple to install this Accessport. I'm gonna be running the Stage 2 big SF tune because I do have an intake and a J-pipe. So let's just get started with that. Alright, so first thing, if you don't know, this is what the Accessport looks like. Pretty small. I had mine mounted like right here, which is perfect because it was not in front of the vent and the door could close easily. But the things I was using for adhesive, it didn't really stick that well. So let's just get the wire plugged back in. I tucked it up. So when I brought it, so this is the cable. It's the OBD cable. Let me see if I can focus this real quick. Alright, so this is the OBD cable. Plugs into the OBD sensor right underneath here. Pretty easy. Just plug straight up. I routed my plug for the Accessport through here. This is actually pretty difficult to remove, but with a little persuasion you can get it off. This whole piece just comes off, so you take this piece off, then this whole piece will pop out. Or you can just route it through here. Just get it through right here. Boom. Done. Okay. So, just gonna get in now. And I don't know why this is so bright, I'm sorry. Right, so now we're just gonna put the key in the ignition real quick. Let's get that over with. Let's get this Accessport plugged in. That's the startup screen. Yeah, I did put a picture of my WRX. Let's click continue. Right. See if I can focus this a little better. Alright. So you're gonna go to install. It's in on position. Basically means to where all the dash lights come on. Alright. Yep, this is my car. 2016 WRX. Click continue. Right. Stage 2 big SF 93 right here. This is where we're gonna go with. It just says put a battery charger on. Should be good because a new battery. Just have to save the factory data real quick. Alright, it's just about done. Alright, so we're not going to turn off the vehicle for this part. It's just uploading the new tune inside the car. Alright, so this is about done.
I got some ideas that you gotta see. Make a vid with Shorty and they ship it like the Odyssey. They never see it.
Let's hit continue. This one actually moves a lot quicker rather than the other two. Alright, turn to the on position. Continue. I'm not sure what comes up after this. Oh, alright. Well, so key off for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle again. From there, everything should be set. Alright, so we're gonna hit continue. Right, earn money. Alright, so first thing I did is go to the gauges and see how that's set up. Oh, it's set up exactly how I left it before. So air-fuel ratio, top left. Below that, intake temperature, battery voltage, bottom left. Top right, boost. Oil temp under that, and RPMs right under that. And there you have it. Your Accessport is installed. So this is a very simple modification for more power. The difference I feel is like the throttle response. Everything used to be so upfront. Rather, it's linear. Like, so you get on it and it increases in time, which is a lot better than having 100% of the power at 30% of the pedal. So that's pretty good. I also hear like a lot of crackle and pop rather than on the stock map. So I like that too as well. Nothing really else I noticed changed. Just that problem with having the hazards on is what kills the battery. So I'm gonna email COBB, see if they can do an update so I can figure out why that happens for my car. Other than that, the car is sound. That's it. Oh, prior to this, something else I want to say. Prior to me getting this Accessport, I actually got a rich air-fuel ratio code, and then this map helped fix that. Excuse me. So that's another plus. But this is gonna conclude this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. I put out videos every Monday and Thursday now, usually around 6 p.m. Eastern time. I just want to keep it consistent so my channel could be successful. So if you guys please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any improvements that I should work on, just, of course, let me know. If you follow me on social media, make sure you DM me and be like, yo kid, I'm this person and I found your social media channel from YouTube. Because I do get a lot of spam accounts that follow me, and it's annoying. They send me DMs about random stuff all the time. So if you guys want to send me a message, I'll give you that follow back. Thank you for watching. Alright, so I have it mounted right here. So this is how it looks from the distance. So it's just right there. So I can see that while I drive. So it's not blocking any view, not blocking my vent, nothing. It's good. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a good one.